Time to smell more tea. Who can guess where I am? There's the hint. Hello, Friday Harbor, and anyone interested in restoring trust in government with good governance starting in our local communities. I'm Pam Hoke. I'm a candidate for mayor for Town of Friday Harbor. And Val, thank you for asking one of the most important questions of this entire campaign, or movement, may I say. What is the actual role of the mayor in our town, and how do I uniquely fit into it, especially right now? So, what is the mayor's role in Friday Harbor? We operate under a mayor council form of government. That means the mayor is the chief executive officer of the town, responsible for overseeing departments and town staff, representing Friday Harbor in regional and state level partnerships, proposing the budget, ensuring funds are used wisely, managing the day-to-day operations and intergovernmental relationships. So also setting the tone for communication, community engagement, and collaboration. We're doing this now. The town council passes laws and ordinances, so the mayor ensures they're implemented effectively and ethically. This is a leadership and management role, not a legislative role. So hope that helps everybody understand the role. And why do I fit this role, especially right now? Well, let's break this down. One, executive communication and community engagement. In 2025, leadership is going to be about meeting people where they're at, both online and in person. I've spent my career helping organizations clarify their messages and improve how they communicate during transitions, meeting the people where they're at. So as mayor, I will keep town communications clear, transparent, and timely. Video public forums, online tools to help us stay connected, welcoming Pondering with Pam, Meet the Mayor events to ensure there's open dialogue to restore trust. I will also be available because I'm self-employed. Because real leadership will start with showing up and actively listening. Collaborative leadership with relationships at the core is another one of my strengths. I'm deeply relational. I don't just value people, I see them. Whether it's our amazing nonprofit leaders, local business owners and entrepreneurs, I'm a startup brand person, the island residents, and we can create an environment that does restore trust, where we're just seeing each other, encouraging the collaboration across all the organizations instead of them competing is another platform that's very important right now to increase capacity. Our community is strong, but could be functioning more efficiently and with more capacity by us getting together. So this is my background. So I'm hoping when we move together in this, we will thrive together in resiliency. I am accountability and follow through and leadership is something I've always been known for. I stand in my values. And so when I don't know something also, I will say so, and I'll say, I'll get back with you. I've led nonprofits and community strategies that bridge divides and honest leadership. And we need this now in our town hall, the bridging the divides. No surprise. So creative strategy is something I do not fear, moving into unknowns and exploring and encouraging others to do so. I don't fear difficult conversations. In fact, I thrive there. And I do encourage others to feel comfortable there. I have a method that's called Pause, Reflect, Respond, which helps, it's in my book, and it guides folks to personal and professional relational situations. It's with empathy, but more of a long view strategy that's sensible responses that are mapped out based on facts. So that's how I'm going to show up for the mayor's office every day. Public administration and strategic planning expertise is in my wheelhouse, especially after now my Master's of Public Administration from the Evans School, which is a third or fourth, I think it's fourth now in the United States for public policy and social governance. There's leadership frameworks. I have adapted and created them in my own frameworks, which then I would adapt for Friday Harbor. And this begins with human-centric planning, effective public communication. This isn't just theory for me. This is actual actions that I've done. And I know for our town specifically, we can create the unique strategy with this because I'm very strategically driven. And it is important that we meet people where they're at first. We keep everybody informed. We invite them to town councils. And so everybody feels like they've been seen and heard and has a voice at the table from all demographics and lenses. Collaborative governance. So why now? This isn't about politics now. It's about our people. Friday Harbor needs a mayor who can communicate clearly, lead with empathy and integrity, but foster communication and relationships without controlling. And also the sense to have strategic systems and processes and measurement models for what we can create, what our town leadership is going to look like so we are resilient. Thank you, Val. I'll keep answering these questions, both online and in person. And as part of my campaign, the 15th is the forum for all mayoral candidates. And I look forward to seeing you all around town because I'm ready for this. I'm ready for creative collaboration and to show I am the leader that can help meet the moment. And that is going to require all of you. So stay courageously curious, and I hope you will engage and follow my Facebook page. Follow all the candidates' Facebook pages, or they're online, and let's determine who should be our next leader. Thank you.